Good afternoon, gentlemen. Today's my topic is Narega. Gentlemen, the Narega stands for Mahatma Gandhi National Rural Employment Guarantee Act of 2005, and the primary objective of this act is to guarantee 100 days of employment in every financial year to the adults members of any rural household who are willing to do the public work, basically the unskilled works. And as per 2022-23, there are 15 crore active workers under Narega, and the best thing about the Narega's design is its legally backed guarantee for any adult to get work within 15 days of demanding for it, and if they didn't get any work, so they must be given the unemployment allowances. And the best thing is that at least one third of the beneficiaries have to be women while getting analyzed the reason of the poverty. Gentlemen, the issue with the Narega scheme is that there has been a delay in giving payments to the workers, so that it resulted in losing their interest to work under Narega, and Gram Panchayats and Gram Sabhas were given a little autonomy, so that it make them unable to implement the act in an effective and in an efficient manner. And there has been also seen that there is a delay in completing the work under Narega, and the projects under Narega, they were unassessed most of the time. So gentlemen, the Department of Rural Development need to analyze the reason of poor regulation of funds, and need to take action against the officials found guilty of misappropriating the funds under Narega. And the Gram Panchayats and Gram Sabhas needed to be provided with adequate resources, power and responsibilities, so that they can provide work on demand, and they can also ensure about the payments, they should be on time. And gentlemen, by allowing farmers to give employment to the Narega workers in the agricultural operations, this will reduce the cost of cultivation, and some part of allowances could be also given through Narega to these workers. And gentlemen, the government and NGOs need to analyze the impact of Narega in rural areas, so as to ensure that this massive anti poverty scheme is not being diluted from its actual path. So gentlemen, this was all about Narega. Thank you.